What's Wiggle and Wear Noticers? It's your boy, Mr. CEO, Big Daddy Shaymuma of this beautiful, awesome, fantastic technology YouTube channel that is Wear Notice. And guys, in this video, we're going to be unboxing this bad boy right here, Apple's leather folio case for the brand spanking new iPhone 11 Pro Max. So, without further ado, let's get to getting this bad boy out of the box, baby. Ooh.
Wear notice, wear notice, wear notice, wear notice. I got the tech and you already know this. Straight out the box and straight to your screen. I'm making tech vids oh so clean. Wear notice, wear notice, wear notice, wear notice. Making them wiggle and wiggle like wear notice. 4 years later now, who want beef? I got subs and they watching me.
So folks, now that we're up close and personal with this box, let's take a look at it. We've got a picture of the case on the front. We got the name of the phone the case is for and the name of the case. Once again, this case is by Apple. So yeah, let's take it out of the box, baby. And here we go. How do we get it out? Let's see. Can we just pull? Can we just pull? Is that allowed? And yes, it is. So there that case is. So we can open it up. Here it has an example. You can put a credit card in this section right here. Here's a piece of plastic. And yeah, we've got a little this thing. We can take this out. And here's a picture of how to put your phone in. And yeah, that's all that's in the box. We can put all this stuff to the side and let's put my iPhone in it. So here is my iPhone 11 Pro Max in beautiful midnight green. We can just plop this bad boy right in, just like the instructions say. And boop, boop, boop. There it is. That was easy in this case. So yeah, there's those 3 rear cameras peeking out the back. We got the Apple logo right here. We've got some stitching around the sides. And yeah, leather. So it looks like right here, there's a little pocket right here, and there's also a pocket right here. So maybe you could stash some cash right here, and then like in the example, maybe some cards here. Now over here, the case provides a volume up button, a volume down button, and then a cutout for the mute switch if you want to access that. Over here, it provides a little side button. Over here, it's a cutout for the entire bottom, the speaker grills, and the lightning port. And up here, no cutouts needed. Obviously, there's nothing up there. But unfortunately, folks, one definite negative about this case is that it doesn't like clasp shut. It doesn't stay shut. It just like flaps around this outer sort of wallet folio flap. Whereas I think it could be much better if Apple would have included magnets and have it just snap shut and stay there. Because look, it just wants to dangle, just like this. Look at that. It doesn't have any way to stay shut. So yeah, that definitely stinks, especially when you're paying this much for the case. What was it again? $130, $129? That is quite a bit. However, folks, on the other hand, a positive thing is if you actually open up the flap, guess what? The phone somehow knows and the screen awakens. And when you shut the flap, the phone goes to sleep and the screen turns off. So that is definitely very cool. So you don't have to worry about doing that yourself, as you guys can see right here. That's definitely a good thing. But once again, Apple, this case could have been so much better if you would just put magnets here, and then just let it magnetically clip shut. I think that would make it so awesome. And I mean, yeah, guys, with that, there's not really much more to say about this case. You've seen it in action. You've seen it on my phone. So with that, folks, if you enjoyed this video, definitely be sure to smash that subscribe button and subscribe to the Wear Notice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one. After all, I do love all my subscribers. So if you want my love, you know what to do. Smash that subscribe button and I'll love you. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. Wear Notice out with Apple's leather folio case for the iPhone 11 Pro Max, baby. Ooh.